We're at a retail store, and as you see, we got a nice good metal rack here that I'm not using. That's just scraps. So we're gonna grab that and throw it in the truck. Nope, that's just that. And that's not. Not seeing anything. Nope. Worth a check. Something. So I've been out for a little bit. I didn't record everything because I was on the phone dealing with a fiasco. Nothing goes as planned. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. That's definitely metal. I don't have a magnet to check. Gil said to have a magnet. Sorry guys. It feels like steel. I think it's steel. But so I didn't record for a while because I was on the phone dealing with yet another fiasco. I bought a vehicle. Great news. Wonderful. Awesome. And the guy jumped titles, and lo and behold, it was sold about a year ago to this guy, and he never changed everything. And so luckily I tracked down the owner. Funny story, he's the one inspecting our roof tomorrow. Go figure. Small world, right? Let's go see what else we can find. Possibly not. Let's see if it looks like it's supposed to be laying at the curb like this. Yeah, I'm gonna say it is. So it will come with me. I wasn't sure at first because, you know, bikes are touchy. It could be a kid's bike they left down there. I don't like assuming with bikes. But this one is definitely trash. So we're gonna lay it in there. Let's go see what else we find. destroying the car. You got it up here. Now you gotta get it down. That should be the easy part, right? Should be the easy part. I've always wondered about those carts and stuff, but I figured they'd question if you brought carts in. They do? I was thinking they throw them in the dumpsters all the time.
Yeah.
So if they're in the dumpster, they're garbage, but I'm like, I don't know if they question that because it's technically from a store.
Yeah.
Yeah, I always wondered that.